Full-size toiletries. Packing full-size shampoo, conditioner, or body wash bottles is one of the most common mistakes travelers make. These items are bulky, heavy, and prone to spills that can ruin your clothes and other belongings. Most hotels and accommodations provide basic toiletries, so there's usually no need to lug your own. If you have specific preferences, travel-size containers are the way to go. These small bottles are compact, lightweight, and easy to refill for future trips. Plus, they comply with airport security restrictions, so you won't have to worry about losing them during a security check. Reusable toiletry bags can also make a huge difference. Opt for a clear, waterproof bag that keeps everything organized and leak-proof. It's a small investment that will save you from the hassle of cleaning up sticky spills in your suitcase. Consider going minimal with your grooming products. Solid shampoos, toothpaste tablets, or multi-purpose cleansers can streamline your packing process and reduce waste. Not only are they practical, but they're also eco-friendly, which is a win-win for you and the planet.